Hi friends, this is Shayanti and you are watching me on Big Basket Lifestyle. Are y'all enjoying the rains? I am having loads of fun because monsoon is one of those seasons I totally love. And this is also the time to play with colors. Just like the rainbow, you can take an inspiration and you can play with all the colors from your makeup kit. I will show you how. I will start with the eye makeup first. So since it's all about colors, I want to use the yellow as an eyeshadow. So taking a brush like this, I'm going to take the yellow powder and put it on the upper lids. I feel that a cream base highlighter is going to brighten up the dull days. So this is the rose gold shade that I have, and I'm using my fingers to apply it on certain high points of my face. So on the bridge of the nose like this, Cupid's bow, chin and brow bone, and of course the C-section of your cheekbone. Now the next thing that you can do is apply a nice apricot shade on the apples of your cheek. So I'm taking a blush brush and taking a little of the apricot color I'm going to apply. Now moving on, going back to the eye makeup, I want to define my eyes with a colored liquid liner. I have chosen this bright shade of blue, but you can opt for any color that you like. Now instead of using the regular mascara, I have a blue color mascara to apply on this. This will enhance the look, but then again, if you don't have a blue mascara, you can go for a black one. And this being monsoon, you can try a waterproof one. You can touch up on the lower lashes of the eyes as well. It looks really nice. Now since the idea is to play with colors, you want to add a pop of color to the lips. I would like to add a pink one, and that to a hot shade. A liquid lip color works the best, so I'm choosing this. If you still want, you can outline the eyes with kajal. This is the final look, so you can go all out and play with colors because the idea is to have fun this monsoon. You can let me know in the comments below what compliments you got for this, and also if you like this video, do not forget to subscribe to the Big Basket Lifestyle, and also do come for more videos like this. Thank you for watching. This is Shayanti signing off.